So, it's already 2 a.m. at aalis na sila papuntang San Francisco. So, this is not a goodbye, but see you next time, y'all. Bye-bye, Siton. Bye-bye, Siton.
Bye.
OA. Oh, ay. Magano, bye-bye mo muna. Okay. Naiyak ako, guys. See you guys. What up, guys?
Hi guys! So akala nila guys, hindi kami sasama sa San Francisco. So ngayon gagawin namin, ipapark lang namin yung car and then mag-take kami ng shuttle going to the airport. So ngayon, tatry natin kung ma-surprise sila pag naka-boarding na sila and then papasok na rin kami. Okay.
Yeah, so kaka-drop off lang namin nila sa airport at wala talaga silang idea, guys, na kasama kami sa San Francisco. The same flight nila at yun ang akala nila na nauwi kami sa Alexandria ngayong araw.
Actually
kasi
guys, wala akong...
nag-pretend kasi siya na may pasok. Nag-pick up siya ng may pasok siya today. But
wala akong pasok kasi talaga napagplanuhan ko talaga yun na talagang sasama kami going to San Francisco para naman alam mo na mag-enjoy din sila and kami. Then nag-rent a car kami doon para maikot namin ang buong San Francisco with them. Yeah, see you guys. Gusto mo makita yung reaction nila.
It's a surprise, guys. Sorry, but ito talaga.
Ito, mahilig ako.
Ito yung plot twist. Kung si Raisa may plot twist, kami naman may plot twist sa inyo, guys. Kaya ayun, yun nga, hindi nahayaan ni Angelo na hayaan lang sila sa San Francisco na sila lang. At hindi kasi sila magdadrive doon.
Gusto ko talaga silang makasama ng medyo matagal. Kaya ito nga, drive lang kami, nagmamadali na kasi baka kami naman ang maiwan ng flight. So, ipapark ko lang yung car doon sa Hilton. Then, mag-take na ng shuttle going to the airport.
Sinadya talaga na i-drop off sila ng 2 a.m. Kunwari kasi magdadrive back kami to Alexandria kasi it's 3 hours drive going
Kunwari
there.
lang yun.
Kasi may pasok na daw siya ng 7 a.m. kaya 2 a.m. na lang namin siya pinag-drop off. But yun nga, ang purpose talaga doon para hindi din kami mahuli na makapunta sa airport. Although wala pa kami masyadong tulog, at least si Angelo may 1 hour na tulog siya. Ako siguro half an hour lang. At sila wala talaga silang totally tulog kasi nga pagdating namin kagabi ng 11 p.m. nag-prepare na sila agad, nag-pack up sila, then yun, ligo. At wala talaga silang tulog totally.
So gusto ko malaman or makita yung reaction nila pag nakita na kaming papasok ng airplane. Kaya magpapalit kami. Sana hindi kami nila makita agad na nasa airport din kami.
Kaya let's see kung ano magiging reaction nila, guys. So I hope this is gonna be worth it and surprisingly amazing.
See you guys sa airplane later.
Sana ma-surprise sila, guys. Alright, see ya! Okay guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Magpo 4 a.m. na. Kailangan na namin i-drop off yung luggage. Kasi baka malate kami kung
Nasaan na kayo? Ganito, diba?
So, baka dito na lang namin sila i-surprise kasi
Tawagan sa labas tayo kasi ikaw ang tatawag kay Tony. Naka ba?
so, yeah. Ngayon na lang namin sila i-surprise kasi baka magkagulatan kami dun sa check-in ng luggage. Kaya dun na lang namin sila i-meet, guys. Let's go. Nasaan sila? Baka nasa security na sila. Okay guys, check na namin. I-drop off na namin yung luggage. I-check na namin yung luggage para wala nang problema. So far wala na sila dito sa check-in. So baka nasa security na sila. Kaya doon na lang namin sila ma-meet sa gate.
Ano ba to?
May guide naman niya, ganyan siya.
Ganyan.
Yeah, okay na yan. Okay guys, nakapag-check-in na kami ng luggage at pupunta na kami sa
Sa gate namin.
Sa
titignan
gate.
namin kung
At doon
makita
namin-
agad kami.
yes, at doon na namin sila mamimit guys. So let's see kung masa-surprise sila na suddenly we appeared here at the airport at kasama namin sila to fly sa Francisco. To San Francisco. So, let's go. Okay guys, I don't know.
Nahuli na kami.
I don't know if we could say no, we failed. Pero dahil nakita na nila kami kasi nandito na kami sa security, nakapila at nandito din sila. Kaya nakita na nila rin kami dito sa Bella. Kaya wala. It's alright. At least, let's see kung anong
Pala doon tayo.
ano sa tingin nila kung na-surprise ba sila or hindi. Pero nakita ko naka-smile sila.
Na-videoan tayo yung na-videoan.
Ay, kami yung nabidyoan. Surprise! We're here!
Bibiglan.
It's part of the surprise.
Surprise siya na.
It's a prank! It's a surprise. Naka-check-in kami.
Ba't kayo nag-check-in pagka?
Kasi hindi kasama. Hindi kasama kay Chinegi namin.
So yung same flight?
Yes.
Nagpa-thank you pa naman ako kahapon na. Nag-thank you na talaga ako kahapon.
Ready na ako magpasalamat na ipopost ko na. Sabi ko pagdating ng Houston, marami akong oras Oh, galing nyo.
Galing, di ba? Naka-vlog to guys, bahala kayo.
No, parang nanghina na
Kaya
kami
lang nabook?
tatlo.
Yes.
No, after ko nabook yung flight ko.
Oo, pero
Kasi ang, di ba, recently ko lang din nabook yung flight.
hindi kasi parang
Kasi sabi ko,
naghahanap
ano ba,
pa kasi
sasama
siya
pa kayo?
kasi biglang bumaba yung
yung
yung ticket.
Magkano
Kasi
na lang?
umabot yun ng 800. Siguro naging 600 na lang ata. Sabi ko, pwede na yan.
600 pa?
Oo,
Kayo nang
mahal.
dalawa?
Kami, hindi, isa
Isa lang?
lang.
Ang balak namin, pag nakapasok kayong airplane, kami ang last.
Oo, yun nga yung plano sana.
Kayo, kakapasok lang.
Hindi,
Yung dalawa
dapat
daw walang tulog, tawa.
Si 11.
dapat kasi yung plano talaga gano'n. Akala namin nakapasok na kayo.
12:30 kami. So kayo 5. Punta na kayo ng airport kung gusto nyo. Kasi ang hotel talaga is 4 minutes away lang po yung sa airport.
Kayo ng acting nyo, tulog-tulugan pa kami dalawa. Ang galing ng acting nyo, tulog-tulugan pa kayo.
Kayo patuloy yung nakatulog kami ha.
Oo.
Kaya.
Parang masyadong hindi halata na talaga mag-
Pero happy ba talaga kayo?
Happy kami.
Oo. Kasi kami kanina sabi ko, utangin tatlo na.
Nagtatalon kaya kami nun.
Oo, gumagano kami para...
Paano yung vlog namin? Kasi part of the prank yan.
Tatatalo kami nung makita namin kayo.
Pero nagulat din sa
Nag-iisip na nga kami tatlo.
Dito,
Saan tayo
dito muna tayo kasi maingay dyan. Nagwawash pa naman siya.
Saan tayo pupunta
Pagkakita
sa
namin,
first day?
tapos sabi ni ay visit talaga sabi ni Tony. Kasi sabi niya, ay kaya pala dala-dala yung passport.
Kaya,
Tapos nag-isip kami saan yung pinark yung sasakyan.
Sa Hilton, doon kami nag-park.
Anong hinto?
Hotel siya pero pwede siya mag-park. Tapos may shuttle kasi sila. So, sinattle kami dito.
Planadong
Ang galing ng acting talaga, naiinis. Bakit mag-change outfit? Diba, white na yung damit, nag-black pa.
Actually, gusto ko sana mag-short na lang. Kaso, di ba, ginamit nga niya yung short ko.
Ako wala kong
Kaya sabi ko, para hindi sana halata.
wala akong idea na bakit ang dami yung dalang damit. Kasi wala naman ako. Kasi alam ko naman,
Mahilig yun. Mahilig kami magdala
Oo.
ng maraming damit.
Sabi kaya pala, ang daming dala. May backpack ka, may handke. Ay,
Oo.
nasa yung backpack mo. Chinikin mo.
Nasa,
Sakyan?
sakyan.
Ano dala niyo?
Ito lang.
Punta ka sa pinag-checking
Oo nga. Bibili lang kami doon ng
Meron dyan.
lagi. At Mayaman. Dito lang muna tayo kasi maingay doon.
Naiinis ako, di ba? Sabi ko, parang minsan na lang kami mag-US tapos nag-extra shift pa yung
Oo.
isa.
Sabi nga,
So,
Pero
ano
ako
na
naman
talaga
sabi
niya?
ko, ay, 5 a.m. naman na kasi ang flight natin.
Plano na talaga niyo kasi sabi niya, hindi niya daw kayo hahayaan na mag-solo doon. Kaya pasalamat kayo sa kanya.
Kaya kasabi namin,
Buti na lang may bonus.
sabi nga nito, matutulog lang kami sa tapos
Oo.
kung ano
Kaya,
Sabi ko, ano kaya kako reaction nila? Kasi sabi ko,
Nung
bihira
una
na
talaga,
magkita-kita.
nung nakita namin, ay, naiinis.
Ngayon mo-
Pero tuwang-tuwa, di ba?
Nagtutulog
Pero kung hindi mo tuloy, syempre di mo naman mako-connect yun.
Oo,
Di ba?
hindi talaga.
Kung hindi na ano?
Kung halimbawa hindi na...
Ang galing talaga ng acting, tulog-tulog pa sila.
Yung baba na nga ng energy namin tatlo. Hindi na kami
Oo.
nag-usap-usap.
Oo, kanya-kanya kami talaga.
Siguro kaya nakita
Sabi
kami.
ko pa nga, dapat.
Nagtanong kayo kasi, kaya nakita.
Kaya oo,
Nakita
bumalik
namin
kasi
kayo.
kami.
Hindi, nakita ko na kayo nung pumasok.
Ah, nakita mo? Nakita na.
like, from sa mismong entrance?
Oo, nakita ko kayo, tapos bigla kayong bumalik. Sabi ko,
Kailan? Ay, like, sa taas pa lang?
akala ko may...
Akala ko kakabulin.
Nasaan na kayo nun?
Kami, o something.
Tapos tumatawa na.
Kakababa na
Wala na, fail.
Oh.
Kasi
Yung kiosk, wala pa doon.
Dami ng
Yung kiosk,
tao.
wala pa. Nagbukas
Kakabukas na.
3:40.
Kaya pala.
Oh
Sabi
my
ko nun, bukas na
gosh.
baka kanina pa
Pero
yun. Tara na.
epipil yun
Oo.
sa aeroplano na tayo. Tapos bigla sila yung block ka.
Yun ang plano
Yun ang
talaga. Yung kaming huling papasok ng plane.
Plano.
Tapos habang nakaupo na kayo, dun kayo makikita.
Tsaka nung nag-check-in kayo, saan kayo nag-check-in? Di ba sa taas yun?
Sa taas nga, tsaka nakita na niya kami daw.
Wala na kayo doon.
Akala ko ba?
Papasok na kayo ng...
Kaya nga kami bumaba na kasi wala.
Sa security
Naman
pala.
na kami sinilip.
Kaya nga eh.
Kami busy-busy.
Actually,
Ano, wala daw.
gusto namin sumili, baka naman kami yung makita nyo rin.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi na talaga kami nalimun sa
Oo.
taas kasi nag-uusap na kami.
Kasi masyadong visible nga sa taas. Nakikita nga namin sana sa baba eh.
45 minutes lang ang sa Houston namin. Sumauna kami.
Okay na yan. Basta.
Anong oras kayo darating?
10:25.
10:30 kami. Mali ka ata. Sabay-sabay ata tayo.
Oo.
Tingnan mo.
I don't think
Mag-Houston din ba kayo?
Houston din.
Din.
Alam naman dalawa yung flight nun.
Kaya nga.
The same time. Papuntang San Francisco.
Ito kasi oh.
6:40 a.m. boarding to eh.
I-cancel nyo na para mapuntahan natin yung San Francisco bridge sa taas tayo.
Wala kami 9:25 darating.
Ngayon.
95 kami.
Tayo mauuna. Kami pa yung nauna.
Kunin namin yung car.
Kami pa yung nauna.
nag-search na nga ako ng mga...
I-cancel yun na kasi pupunta, dahil may car naman tayo, pupunta tayo dun sa yung top view
Mag-enjoy kayo bukas.
ng San Francisco Bridge.
Okay na yun tuloy.
Yeah.
Kaso di nga makansel.
Punta ka mismo doon sa nagbukan mo.
Sabi naman ni Angelo, pwede pa yun makancel kasi 24 hours cancellation naman yun.
Kasi may discount.
Ay, binukan niya pala doon sa mismong ng website ng work niya para may discount.
Hindi ko alam kasi.
Sa Telos mo.
Pero okay na yun. Wala mo na atis magkakasama tayo.
Wala ba yung customer service?
Grabe yung namin. Pretend tapos panay tanong pa si John Ray, bakit kasi siya nag-pick up? Bakit kasi siya nag-pick up?
Diba? Kasi naiinis ako. Sabi ko parang...
Mamaya nga kasi maingay tayo.
Interview tayo.
CNN ba tayo? Ay, CNN. 11 pala.
Ay, hindi ko talaga mag-
Sabi niya, bakit kasi siya nag-pick up? Oo, minsan na nga lang kami dito.
Possible talaga yun.
Kailan na kayo nun?
Kung ano pa yun.
Pero plano mo na talaga sumama.
Magkano yung nakuha mong magkano yung nakuha mong
After mo mag-book,
magkano yung nakuha mong flight?
magkano? Nag-600.
Oo, kasi 800 yun.
Balikan.
Kayo ng dalawa?
Kaya,
600.
Each?
600 each.
Yun nga. 600 each nga siya.
Canadian.
Tapos with carry on mo.
Kami wala pa yun.
Two ways
Nagbayad.
sa amin. 2 ways ba sa inyo?
One way lang.
Ay, one way.
Kaya naman
Kaya
pala.
mura na yun.
Yun nga pinakaman namin ticket for 20.
Dati mas mura. 400 lang. Di ba undecided pa kami? Sabi ko kanina, kaya nagsasabi ako, ito na nga lang suot, wala na pala akong iba. Tapos yung sapatos naman nagsabi ako, chinelas na ako mamaya.
Ito wala kay Kesyoso ko anong susuotin ko rin kasi.
Oo, palit kasi siya ng palit.
Ang dami tinutupi ni Marlon na shorts.
Sa kanya yun. Sa kanya yun. Sa kanya yun.
Lahat.
Dinala
lang na
Na,
para.
pero kanina, nung sinisita ka ni Irish,
Oo.
ba't kako ang dami niyang tinutuping shorts na hindi naman niya yung sinuot. Yung...
Sa kanya kasi
Akin
yun.
yun.
Hinahanap ko yung sa akin kasi mag-short nga ako para hindi
short.
halata.
Pero kasi yung...
Mga nag expect din kasi talaga sila na baka.
Oo, nakasama.
Hindi, ako hindi. Nasa
Ako
isip ko
hindi,
talaga.
Wala, hindi
Ah,
ako
wala.
eh.
Hanggang
Kasi
doon
nung
lang.
sinabi mo na nag-overtime ka na.
Kaya nga, ako di ba yun nga yung nasa isip ko na.
O see, napaniwala mo pa rin si Tony.
Napaniwala mo din ako.
Ito lang kasi nagtaka bakit
Nagtaka
daw
lang ako.
panay daw ako hanap ng susuotin.
Oo.
Sabi ko naman masikip.
Pero ngayon lang natin napagtugpi-tugpi.
Ngayon lang napagtugpi. Pero pag hindi
Also,
kayo wala kayo dito, hindi namin.
Okay guys, so kita nyo naman na successful yung surprise natin sa kanila. So yes, magiging masaya at adventure yung... Oh shit, may muta pa ata. Is it a surprise? So mamaya na lang guys, we will meet you at San Francisco. So see ya. Hey guys, so we're finally here in San Francisco. Thank God we landed safely. And ayan, nakuha na rin namin yung rent-a-car. Surprisingly, the price is too much.
Hi guys, so na-surprise lang ako kasi nag-avail ako ng mga kung ano-ano kasi gusto ko safe kami, may insurance, full coverage, and kung ano-anong fees. So heads up lang, ang mahal dito. Mas mahal pa yung binayaran kong fees compare sa rent-a-car. So pag nag-rent kayo, make sure na handa ang
Bulsa nyo.
kasi talagang nagulat ako. I know San Francisco is a bit expensive or really
Yeah.
expensive.
Aside dun sa rent-a-car nyo na fee, may mga additional pa siya.
Oo.
So, like it's surprisingly pricey, guys. But it's fine.
Pero
This
mas
is
okay na
our-
to kasi at least safe.
Yeah, it is our trip with them, so let's go. So, pipick upin na namin sila sa arrival. Kasi nauna kami yung flight namin from Houston to here in San Francisco. Sila like an hour after yung flight nila papuntang San Francisco. So, good
Ayun
idea pa rin kasi
Ayun na.
yung time na
Tawagan
yon, yun ang time to pick up the rent-a-car.
Tawagan
So,
mo na agad. Ay.
yeah. And they just arrived here. So, wala pa rin nasayang na oras. But yeah. See you guys.
Doon, tulungan mo na. Go.
What's up? Welcome to San Francisco. Feeling taga rito.
Unahin yung kay Ira.
Yung malaki,
Ano?
wait lang.
Paano tayo mag-casio dyan?
How's your flight?
I'm excited because there's two of you again. Yay!
Transfer na daw sila.
Finally.
Ang ganda naman ito.
Let's go! Para mabilis na tayo. Kasi marami nag-aantay.
Dali na, search mo na.
Pa yung BMW sa
So how was your flight, guys? Hindi boring yung ano nyo, San Francisco trip.
I believe I was just gonna sleep in the hotel for today's video.
Makakagala kayo, guys.
It's not gonna be fun today.
Let's go!
Kahit walang tulog.
So,
First time nyo ba dito?
So guys, excited kayo anong unang kakainin natin today?
Chowking!
Let's go Chowking! Chowking, let's go Chowking! So guys, dahil tapos na namin sila na surprise at nandito na kami sa San Francisco, let's the adventure begin! Welcome to San Francisco! Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Chowking at mag-order na kami ng pagkain for our first meal for today. What are you guys going to order?
I'm not sure.
Allah!
And orange iced tea.
Okay, it's time to eat guys. What do you have? Gloria. Ano sa'yo? One gun? Ano sa'yo?
With broccoli.
Beef broccoli. Kami. 2 entries of Gloria. Okay, let's eat.
Tatlo nung kami na lang na tanggap na namin na tatlo na lang kami. Sabi ko, paano kayo nakasagot?
I'm Lulier, oh. I'm Lulier. Ayun kung magpapadala kayo ng pera. Ay, tsaka red ribbon, oh. Red ribbon. Masarap. Hey guys, mag-hi muna kayo. Cebu City. Dito kami guys sa Cebu City. Tapos lang namin kumain sa Chowking. Grabe yung busog ko. Wow. Very Philippines yung amoy. At yung, alam mo yun, yung vibe niya guys, yung aura. Very Philippines. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Uy, parang nafe-feel ko yung Philippines dito. I can smell it. It smells like Philippines. It smells like Philippine, right?
It is.
Naamoy ko siya. Guys, ang ganda. Oh, sorry po. Sorry po. Tignan mo guys. Ang ganda.
Chips. Para pag nag-drive tayo.
Ay, Yakult! May Yakult sila. What do you have guys? What do you have? Show it here.
It's ube cheese roll.
Ah.
There's so many choices. I can't
Bibili ako something sa Red Ribbon.
Oo nga.
Ito daw sabi
Yes,
ni Kuya.
Yakult guys. Yakult. Chips.
Yeah.
Ay, ito chips. Mga chips nila. Meron oh. Ayan baga.
Where? I cannot
Ayan oh.
see.
Ay!
Ang lapit talaga.
Walang piatos. Oh, Terminal 1 kami. Terminal 1 kami.
Anong gate kayo ng baba? Arrival.
Uy, the isda is exposed, guys. Ang ganda. Look. You can feel the ano talaga na parang nasa Pinas ka. Tapos yung may mga seafood sila dito. Oh, sorry. 'Di ba? Parang ano ka lang, namamalengke sa mga public market. Nakalagay siya dyan. Wow. Iba kasi yung nila dito, guys. Yung Seafood City dito sa San Francisco kesa dun sa iba. Kasi parang normal lang, grocery store. But dito, you can feel the vibe. Magbayad na tayo. Ay, ayun. Ito gawak. Give me some.
This one is for our tip. Okay lang ko yun. I will pay
Yeah.
for it.
Oh, you'll pay for it?
Yes.
I can help you.
Ay.
Ito lang yung bayaran mo.
I can help you hold.
May,
You can go over
ako na
there.
magbayad niyan.
Red Ribbon, nandyan lang din.
Okay.
Ay, kumain tayo dito last time, remember? Sa loob.
Saan ba yun?
Yeah, dyan yun, sa Jollibee.
Kasama sa SM.
Yeah.
Uy, may points ako. Ito kay Kuya.
Here's yours.
Yeah. Uy, ano yan? Dali ka na. OA. OA talaga.
Dividing system.
Okay guys, nakapag-grocery na si ng mga kakainin niyang mga snacks.
Kakainin natin. Grabe na.
Ah, para sa atin nga.
Para sa ating lahat. Ay.
At ayan, may Jollibee at Red Ribbon guys dito. Let's go. Ooh! Wow!
Ano naman ako dyan.
Ang dami nilang mga snacks.
270 calories.
How much?
270 calories.
Oh, wow! Nag-check ng calories. Wow! Ano kasi John Ray? Ano kasi John Ray? Nag-check ng calories. Wow! Ang dami ng cake. Parang gusto ko ng cake. No? Ang masarap yung mga cake nila. Okay, saan na tayo pupunta, guys?
Ano sabi?
You explain. You explain where we're going.
We're going to be downtown. John Ray.
Where's downtown?
Walang tax. Mura dito. Walang tax yung food.
Anong gagawin natin sa downtown?
We're gonna find my collection. We're able to find.
Wow! That's very nice.
And then we're gonna ride
Unless-
a cable car. Tapos, if possible,
Cable car?
we will able to determine the people over there.
Ah.
Maraming people or walang people, then we are the madlang people.
Ah! Uy, may oh. Aeroplane. Shoot ka dyan, Ray. Napatawa tuloy ako.
Palis kayo kay Lolo.
Uy, masyadong malapit. Maybe you can back off a little bit. Iris, wag muna siya pumasok, sabihin mo. Bro, you need to back up. Tell him.
Backing up.
Tell him.
Back up, you know?
Ah?
Hey, we're not gonna fit in there. We're not that skinny, yeah?
Dito tayo mag-antay. have tried this famous matcha drink here in, what do you call that? Japan Center Mall. Japan Center Mall. So, saan tayo?
One of the best matcha I've ever tasted.
I got ice cream. I got milkshake. Milkshake? Ano tawag dito?
Milk tea.
I got milkshake.
Matcha milk tea.
I got ice cream. I got milkshake. Milk tea. They got ice cream. I got milk tea. Hi guys! It's our second day here in San Francisco, California. So, as you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa Golden Gate Bridge. Makita nyo sa background ko na yan. It's so beautiful here guys. This is the perfect spot for taking picture here in the Golden Bridge. So, kung kailangan nyo ng like perfect spot for photos, dito kayo pumunta. Kung saan sumasakay ng mga tour bus, dito lang yun. I forgot the address kasi. But yeah, so we just finished our photo shoots with them.
Para may real.
So hey guys, mag-hi muna kayo.
Hi! Welcome
guys.
to San Juanico Bridge.
Wala ka sa Leyte.
San Francisco.
San Francisco tayo.
Golden Gate Bridge.
It
Yeah.
is an iconic
This
structure
is so
that was
wonderful.
built in 19...
The view is very viewing.
I don't remember, but it says there that it was built in 19-something.
1933.
I think 1945.
34 and 36.
But this place is such an iconic.
Yes,
because
so iconic.
I used to just see this in the picture and videos, and now I see it in person. It's really nice. Bridge.
Look,
Golden.
it's just
Gate.
behind us,
And
guys.
it's color red. It says golden, but it's red. I don't know. What's the difference?
Yeah, but there's a story behind that kung bakit naging red siya, but they call it This used to be golden, I think. But yeah,
Ang ganda ng
our
pagkakita
second
ng
day.
mga-
So they're gonna take the tour.
yeah, we're gonna go for
around
the, big
the
bus
San
tour.
Francisco.
But we're just not around, just
Few stops.
So-
Like the tourist destination. So yeah, sila lang tatlo kasi sila lang yung nakapag-book
Yeah.
kasi surprise nga yung pagpunta namin dito at hindi kami kasali doon sa
Yeah, they
sa
surprised
plan
us.
nila. But yeah,
Initially,
But
it
us,
was
we're
just
just
the three
gonna,
of us, and now we're 5 of us.
walk around this area. So magti-tiktok lang kami guys and see you later. Ayan guys, aalis na sila.
See you
At
guys.
tutour na sila. Mag-take na sila ng big bus tour.
1936, 1937 nakalagay.
Ay, mag-hi guys sa vlog.
Welcome to
That's the bus? That's not the bus. Bye guys, enjoy. Enjoy the big tour. Hello guys, update lang. Nandito na kami sa Fisherman's Wharf. So, ayan.
Hindi ka naman matutumba dyan. Hindi, no? Dito maulog. Hindi nga, kumapit ka lang.
Okay.
Kumapit ka lang.
Ikaw naman.
That's so fun. Picture niyo naman ako. Picture niyo naman ako. Hindi naman daw.
It's what you call the gravity.
Hello there. We're here at the Fisherman's. Dapat natatakot ka. Uy. Kailan nakakapit ka na mahusay? Kasi mapipiling mo ma-outbalance ka.
Ikaw naman.
Gumapit ka ng mahusay. Alis na tayo. Huwag malakas.
So yeah guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Fisherman's Wharf. So napapansin nyo, I'm wearing my sweatshirt kasi nga sobrang lamig dito at sobrang windy kaya ayan. Mag-hi kayo guys.
Hi! We're down to our last few days here in San Francisco.
Last day?
Last few days, I said.
Oh okay.
You're not listening to my tone.
But yeah, galing kami kanina sa Golden Gate Bridge at pumunta kami sa pinakatap kung saan nag-senti si Bumblebee. Ayan. So, ngayon, samahan nyo kami at mag-ikot dito sa Fisherman's Wharf and kakain kami ng dinner namin together with them. Alright guys, let's go! Lakad-lakad lang kami guys at bibili ng mga souvenir.
Try entering this store here.
Yeah, souvenir store.
Let's see if we can find something worth buying as a souvenir. Oh,
Wala, hindi nila afford.
sorry guys.
Sorry guys, hindi namin afford.
T-shirt pa lang parenta na.
Oo, ang mahal ng
They try
t-shirt.
not to be
T-shirt is very cheap but that
Reason being is because there are licensed products.
Nagpapagutom tayo lamang.
guys, gutom na kami. Pero ito, dito pa rin kami guys. Naghahanap ng makakain. Let's go guys. Bilhin! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Maybe this one. 5 teas, 5 hot.
Oh, grabe naman siya. Ito, $10 hoodie. Mas mura siya guys. It's a good deal. Is it the same store? What are you guys going to buy? What are you going to buy?
I don't know.
Let's see what they have. Oh, this looks nice. Nice ang mga ano. Ang tawag dyan? Snowballs. Oh, this one. You can buy this for Ate Jamie. A fridge. Oh yeah, the fridge magnet.
So we're gonna buy a fridge magnet so they can only just think of fridge as their problem. So you have to look for the fridge.
Guys, this place is very cheap. It's only $10 of everything that you can buy.
But I couldn't find a size.
All the everything is $10 and $15 for the hoodies. Ayo, bibili kayo ng collection. Baka may bibigyan kayo sa ano? Collection. Ikaw, did you buy something?
I don't think there's something worth buying. Going back to Canada, but
You're just gonna bring yourself.
I don't have much room for my luggage, so I can't buy.
Oh yeah,
stuff.
save sa
I'm gonna have to pay for
extra.
extra for the luggage.
Yeah,
But I can
that's
run.
true. Hindi ka sasama sa kanila. Hindi ka sasama sa kanila. Bakit ka mag-run? Walk lang tayo today. So, what are you going to bring for pasalubong?
Ref magnet and t-shirt from
But
my
did you buy a ref magnet already or not yet?
Later na lang.
Oh, later. Okay.
Tapos ang bibigyan niya,
Gotcha.
walang ref.
Wala tayong ref sa Canada. Ay.
Bibigyan ng ref magnet, yung pagbibig niya
Walang ref.
May ref ang pagbibigyan.
Uy, meron talaga tayo talagang ref.
Sabi niya, ito ref magnet, ref na lang kulang mo.
Doon tayo kakain yung last time.
Zero.
We've been here 3 times already, guys, here in San Francisco. And wala lang, na-share ko lang. Uy, kausapin nyo naman vlog ko.
Si Janwer, mas magaling mag-entertain.
Yeah.
ganito ba?
Uy, hindi
Ano ba
entertain yan.
You know, sometimes here in San Francisco,
What do you mean by
here in San
Francisco.
Parang
Ano ba yun?
Dito po kami sa Fisherman's Wharf. Kung saan,
Malamig. Hi guys.
ang lapit
Welcome
kami
to
sa
my
dagat.
YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click like and below.
Hindi pa tayo mag-outro.
ano, yung view dito nung Golden Gate Bridge is...
I just
Dahan-dahan muna kayo na ano ako, baka mabunggo.
what's the reason why people are putting apple lock on the what do you call it?
Kaya nga,
Love lock? Is that a love lock?
yeah. That's a love lock.
It's a love lock.
Yeah.
Is that really meant to put
Don't make me run
area supposed to
because I'm backing
I thought
up.
it's only applicable in Paris. Like when you do love lock.
sa mga places na kailangan daw business.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Pier 39. Isa yan sa mga
So, we're-
recommended places
we're-
na we have to visit. Parang ano yun yung pier dun sa yung sa ano? Sa Santa Monica.
Kaya mo yan.
Sa Santa Monica. Di ba may pier something doon?
Oh,
Di
yeah.
ko alam kung ano
Yeah.
yun. So may pier 39 naman.
Yan talaga yun.
Oh, I see. But it also the same in Seattle. Like they have, yeah, I think they call it Pier 45. I don't know. Pier, hindi. Iba. Nag-iisip. Nag-iisip.
Pier
Tayo.
Pier tong isda?
Yeah.
Pier to galera.
Anong pier yung ano nyo? Alam nyo?
Don't talk to him. I'm busy right now.
Pier is
Anong pier ang alam nyo, guys?
Pier's time. Pier of joy.
Oh, yung galing dun.
Pier of height.
Pier.
Pier to prinsesa.
Ikaw, anong pier ang alam mo?
Pure gold.
That was an iconic, Ikaw, anong pier alam mo?
Pier 5. Sarap.
The best yung pure gold.
Yeah. Hindi yan pier. Pure lord.
Yes. Ay, ang gandang angulo dito pag nagva-vlog. Tignan nyo.
Really?
Oo. Para kayong vlogger na.
This is
Tama.
Angelo and I'm preparing for my
Akala ko
Timo, Timo.
sa Los Angeles sila pumunta, Marlon. Yung,
Ha?
yung sex bomb dancer.
Ha?
went there too.
San Francisco.
Sa San Francisco.
Yeah.
San Francisco. Pareho?
Yeah.
Francisco.
I thought that was
Don't thought.
Hi guys, napansin lang namin, yan pala yung Alcatraz. Yung historic jail, old building ng jail dito sa San Francisco. It's very visible dito sa Pier 39. Yan. But I don't know if we can go there because the ticket is very pricey. But yeah, maybe we can go there next time. Okay guys, nakapili na kami ng bibilhin namin na souvenir. What do you have?
You get a free hoodie, okay?
One hoodie? Yeah. Okay, perfect.
I see you have enough.
these are
Yep. Can be any 10 items.
Any 10 items. What about you? Did you get something?
I'm still thinking about it, but I don't think
Has are only $5.
I was looking for
It's
a
could
kid's
be,
size
it's
shirt,
worth it to have
but
$5.
the kid's size is a little big, and there's nothing big.
How big? It's begging you. I'm begging, begging you.
And there's
Yeah,
nothing
so
that would catch my interest. So,
What about you?
I got
What do you have?
for the three boys.
Ah, for your nephew?
Yes, my dad and my husband.
That's
Instead of the
awesome.
other.
That's awesome. What about for your mom?
It's too big.
Ah,
So small size.
nag-English na tayo. So yeah, we got our stuff here. So,
are they gonna
meron
buy-
silang like if you spend for 10 items, you'll get one hoodie.
I think she said that. By
What?
6. Yes, it's 6.
Buy 6?
Yeah.
They said 10 items.
Item.
If you get any 6 items, you get a free mystery.
See?
Mystery game.
Oh.
What's the mystery?
Pag ilan item?
For 6. Yeah. I don't know. What if nothing? Yeah, so magbabay na kami guys kasi sobrang dami na ata nakuha namin.
Ito papalitan mo, $5 na.
Hello guys, so tapos na namin. Tapos na kami nakabili ng mga souvenir and mga pasalubong para sa mga friends namin, friends and family namin. Ayan. What do you got? Did you buy?
Yes, for my family.
Yes, let's go. So kakain na kami guys at naglalakad kami ngayon on the way sa kasi nagmamadali kami dahil yung parking namin is only for 2 hours at we only have 40 minutes left. At wala na ngang nangyari guys kasi close na yung pagkain na dapat kami saan kami kakain. Ayan. Doon na lang kami sa iba kakain. Eh di bumalik na tayo. Doon sa car.
Yeah.
Yes guys.
Maybe we can just look
Sino
for
bibili?
a restaurant or fast food.
Yeah,
Sa
or
bibili.
Filipino restaurant.
Oh, Filipino restaurant.
Maybe
Yung
we can
na-search ko Isla Restaurant.
Yeah, let's try that.
Sana tayo kakain guys. You need to decide right now. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa Tamago Sushi. It's our revolving sushi guys. So, ayan. So we're just gonna have our dinner. Angel already started eating. Hey guys, so it's so funny that we're in separate tables because we're ordering in separate bills. Hindi nila masaseparate yung bill. So, yung payment. Kaya we have to go to different tables. Ayan. So we're gonna eat guys. Angel's enjoying his appetizer already.
It's not appetizer wrong.
So yeah. Oh, your order is here.
Ayan na. Oy, girl!
Your order is here. Bye.
Okay na.
John Ray, how are you doing there?
I don't know what to eat. I'm still full actually.
Get the Tankutsu ramen. It's good.
No, that's too heavy.
Or you can get from here if you want. You can choose from there. I don't know. Your bill will come out from the ano na lang later.
Bibilangin nila ang plate.
Yeah, by plate yan eh. What about you? What did you order?
Paano magbabayad ng in-order ko dito?
Tuna roll.
Diyan na magbayad?
Okay.
Ewan ko.
You can also get some here if you want. Okay. Alright guys, we're just gonna eat. Angel already had 2 plate. So I'm probably gonna get for myself as well. So do you have any
Anything?
chopstick? How's your food?
It's still good.
That's tasty.
Alright. I'm gonna get another one.
Ayun, try mo to. Ang sarap.
Which one? The avocado one?
Hindi yun. Hindi pala. Yung ganito. Ayun, siguro yun. First one.
Is that our order?
Paling pala.
That's your order.
Yes, talaga.
That's your order.
Ganon.
This one? Should I try this one, guys? Should I try that one? Should I try that one?
Ikaw bahala.
I ordered takoyaki.
Oh, I wanna get that one.
Alin?
Is that salad? Magsa-salad kaya tayo, guys. What do you
Ito
think?
masarap to.
Ako lang may mga presyo pala dito.
Yeah, yun pala.
Saan?
Here.
Ako pa naman, di pa
What color is it? Yellow?
$5 lang yun.
Green?
$4 lang.
It's $4.
$4 lang itong mga nakuha ko.
Yeah.
Puro $4. Ito ni, mga $4 lang. Mas mahal sa ano yun. Sa... Basta $6 yun.
Can I get that
Yeah,
one?
you can. For you.
I'll get this one, guys.
Magkakaaway ngayon.
Why, what happened? Let's try this. I should have taken a picture first.
You should have.
That's my takoyaki. That's my takoyaki. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat, guys. I already received my
Ang galing, no? Mas mabilis na
what do you call that?
dumating.
Takoyaki. You wanna try this?
Ito kasi nangasawa ako.
Let me try this.
Nagutom ako ngayon, promise.
I'm sorry.
Kasi nagutom ako.
It's good.
Ay, pwede naman. Basta pagbabayaran na.
But make sure you paid already.
Ha?
Nag-pay ka na sa bar mo?
Ay, pa? Pay ka na.
Sa bar mo nandiyan yung bayan.
Pipay na.
Ganun ba yun?
If you're done.
So check. Check.
Yeah. Sorry. Our order is here, guys. Ay, kay John Ray pala yun. Wow! Wow!
Hindi ko yan maubos.
Ay!
Take out this.
Mabilis din talaga yung ano.
Ang sarap.
Yung try.
Mainit pa.
Oo. It's so good, guys.
Mainit pa.
How was the food?
Mainit?
Lahat, kuya.
So good.
We're still waiting for our food, guys. What happened?
Hala. Lagay sa cellphone niya talaga.
Sinasawsaw niya sa cellphone niya.
Pinakatok ko sa telephone ko.
What the?
I put the sushi in my son.
Looks so good.
Sa ano, may nagbibilang. Ang ibang ganito, ipasok mo lang yung ano, di ba Lon?
So good. It's so good, guys. I don't know, but oh, I think that's my order over there. I think that's our order. Yes, it is our order. Bye. Please take your food. Let's try it, guys. Init. Init. It's so hot, guys. Ang kinis ko dito. It's so hot. Ang sarap nito. Lang, pala. Kaya ang sarap nito.
Order ka. Parang pag may umupo kasi dyan.
That's why I asked you, like, if you can pay now. You can request to her.
Wala naman ang tulong ka kasi.
Is that our order?
Yeah.
You're the last? Yeah, that's the last. We only orders now. Just we can still get some in there.
Okay, so you don't need to transfer it.
How was your food, guys?
This is very chicken store. It's very saucy. Tapos yung ramen nila. Creamy. And then, kasi, but I just don't have
Kami then, we're just gonna eat our ramen. Let's eat.
Nagay ko sa kanya.
Hello guys, good morning. This is our last day here in San Francisco. At lalabas na kami. Teka lang. Dahil mag-tutor na naman kami for our last day. Did you got the key? You got the key?
May isa ako. Nasaan yung isa?
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
I don't have the other key.
Nasaan?
Oh no.
Dala nyo kagabi.
Alright guys, so where we gotta go? We park over here, right? Alright guys.
Nasaan yung isang susi? Kung natanggal.
What do you mean by yes? Yung susi mo, meron wala.
May isa lang dito. Nasaan yung isa?
Eh?
Naka-pack-in pa kami guys. Uy, wag ka muna mauna. Dito ka. Kasi magkamulag tayo.
Hi guys, welcome to my journey. Ako pala si Journey Arnold Pineda.
Ay, hindi kasi patanggal lang ng ano dyan. Guys, mga pagod na sila. Wala na silang gana mag-travel. Dahil mga pagod na sila.
Hindi ko, gutom lang.
Gusto nila magpahinga na lang. Kaya wala na sila sa mood.
Nagsasayo. Ang babay. May tawag.
Let's go! Sa go. Let's go sa go.
Hindi naman pala yung totoo na kailangan na bumawi ng mga basketballista pag gusto
Kung napansin nyo, ang ganda ng pagka-hold ng camera ko kasi
Meron nga game 4.
I have
Game 4.
a... what do you call this? What do you call this? A selfie stick. Given by Iris Pineda. Iris Pineda!
May basement.
Kasi pag naipanalo nila, mas marami makukuha nila, di ba?
Oo, yung sa ano, yung mga ticket ng stadium.
Hindi kasi kung umabot ng game 7 to nim, kikita rin sila.
Okay, watch out our
Pero
vlog.
yung legacy nila,
Okay.
Kita yung NBA.
This is our vlog.
Mm.
Edit na naman ako.
Pero sila, ito yung mga
Ano naman ako
kasi kontrata pa rin yung sa mga basketball player.
Where did you put my shoes? Ooh. What do you think my feet, guys? What do you think my feet? Hoy, magkano tayo? Mag-fitting.
Outfit check.
Outfit check. Outfit check. Kaya I'm wearing Adidas shirt and
I'm wearing Converse.
Apollo US pants. It's very nice. Very comfy. See?
I'm wearing Converse.
Yes. Boss. Oy, say your ano, say your brand, say your brand. Okay, line up. Say your brand. From the top to bottom. Line.
I'm wearing Converse, Bench,
Legendary.
Air Jordan, and Burberry eyeglasses.
I'm wearing an Old Navy pants
Ano ba to?
and a Mango's crop top.
I'm wearing Adidas shirt, US Polo, and a Coach bag. Oh, also the Adidas cup and shoes. I don't know what the brand. Puma, Guess, Boss, Hoka, Herschel, PC.
I am wearing Levi's $2, Polo pants $1, Gucci $600.
Hoy, ipipicture ko yan.
Tara na.
go.
Within your soul, please.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. It's our last day here in San Francisco.
Happy last day!
Happy last day! Happy last day! Okay, samahan nyo kami guys. Mag-tour kami just around the downtown.
vicinity of San
And mga
Just around a
nearest
beautiful
destination.
beautiful state
Mga
of
tourist spots.
Cali.
Kasi
Ayaw yung mag-Arkansas.
Arkansas.
It's Arkansas. Silent S.
It's Arkansas.
And why did you put the S then?
Yes.
Because
Use
they don't
it.
want to say it.
Use it then.
They don't want to say it because it sounds like S.
Arkansas.
It's Arkansas.
Sir, put it
This way.
Alright guys, we are
Because
now
there's a
heading
lot of
to
dildo here.
where?
Seafood City.
Seafood City.
Our favorite store.
And we're going to eat for our first meal for the day.
The day of suffer.
And after that, we're gonna go to where?
Casino.
downtown.
What the heck? We're not going there. Did we ever go there?
Marami tayo ng
May
nagastos
nakita
natin.
akong ano.
Alright guys, see ya later. Hey guys, we're here. Kakain kami sa Seafood City. Mamaya pala, naiyak na vlog.
Yan. Hello. Dito kami sa Grill City. This is our last meal here at Grill City. And it's our first meal of the day and last meal here in town. Pero undecided kami kung anong aming kakainin. Gusto ng gulay. Ito sila. Doon si Iris sa kabila. So many choices. Couldn't decide what to eat. Order muna tayo. Bye. So, tapos na po natin umorder for $20 and 80 cents.
May barbecue.
And I ordered so many food.
John Ray, gusto mo ng kanin?
Ito, siya. And then we're just waiting for Angelo and Marlon. So, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat a lot yesterday, especially last night. Do you wanna share?
Grabe naman kayo, wala naman kinakain siya.
Kuya ko kuya ko ako.
Sige, mamaya.
Ngayon na.
Dapat trip si Marlo na pressure. Wrong order na to.
Ano or
Kasi,
Masungit ba yun?
Malinis kamay ko ah. Bugas ako.
Guys, kain tayo. Na-pressure kami umorder kasi medyo masungit yung baba. So,
Masungit kahapon, mabait sa akin. Ano pa? Ano pa?
Wala lang sa mood.
Wala yung isang mabait ko sa akin.
It's dessert time, guys. So we ordered the King Oreo at the Chi World, and they're having their
Pero kailan next
dessert as well.
Basta ano, basta...
What dessert is that?
Kapag na-message.
Hey, what dessert is that? Magkano na lang?
Yan ang makapansip ng green
Magkano yun doon? $8. Nag-tip lang ako. Can I try? The other ones. Can I try? Can you move this? I will try this. This is kind of sticky. Mahaba na ng kuko ko. But it's clean. No worries.
Travel around the world.
Wow! Ayan na, mag-vlog na. Hello guys, we are here at Lombard Park. Ano to, Lombard Street. Ayan.
Dali yung Chinatown ko para maganda na yung parking na. Pero makakalakad yung imang daming sasakyan. Gaga dyan ka sa gilid. Ano ba yan? No other.
Eh di, tatawid tayo.
Dito sa ano?
Tawid tayo.
Sa gilid.
Tawid na ba? Go.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Lamig.
Oh shoot, daw sa baba tayo.
Yes, ma.
Okay na. Saka siya.
Uy, ang ganda niya. Ang hangin dito. Parang lalamigin ako. Parang
Ganda.
kakasakit ako dito. Mag-video na tayo, guys. Yeah, so tapos na kami mag-picture-picture dito sa Lombard Street. So ngayon, nagantay kami ng cable car. Papunta. I will miss you too, guys. So pupunta kami sa... Saan ba tayo?
Cable car.
Just Chinatown. And we're just gonna ride around this downtown. Alright, so for now, we're just gonna wait here at the Lombard Street while waiting for the cable car. Medyo madaming tao dito guys kasi isa to sa pinupuntahang tourist spot dito sa San Francisco.
Ngayon ang
California.
aming last day, pero for some reason, ngayon ata yung pinakamalamig. Naka-t-shirt, no?
Yeah, because of the wind.
The wind is howling, but we couldn't get inside. Couldn't keep it in. Heaven
Oh, yan
knows
na
I
lang
tried.
sa'yo, John Ray. John Ray, yan na lang sa'yo, John Ray.
Ha?
Yan na lang.
Ayun, John.
Guys! Sasakay namin yung cable car! Sasakay na kami cable car, guys.
Yeah. See that? See, slide, 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 slide. Hey guys, go this side. Go this side. Over here. Go right there. What you got? Show me some tickets.
We have 5.
Okay, activate them. Oh. Touch, go. No. Touch, you got no seats. Yes.
Perfect.
Go around.
Go around. Go around. Let's go over here, guys. Let's go. Yes. Ay, ako dyan kasi parang nakikita tayo. Madali picture mo kayo dito.
Zigzag.
Diyan ka lang, kuya. Dito po kami sa cable car dito sa San Francisco.
Yes.
It's kind of a new experience.
None.
It's really nice.
Hindi ako nakikita pero that's fine. Have it on my vlog, guys.
Ano lang kami dito, taas.
How are you guys doing there?
Go inside.
Tiis lang kami dito. Tiis gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Tiis gorgeous.
Mamaya, balik ulit tayo.
But where are we heading first?
Heading you.
Everywhere? We're just gonna go everywhere.
Gusto makabalik tayo dun sa sakyan? Ay, pagbaba.
Guys! Uy! Don't fall! Don't fall! Yes! Let's go!
Sanay ako dito sa jeep na
Down the hill, please.
Can you hold it? Can you hold this?
Yeah, hold on, sir. Hold on. Down the hill.
Hello!
Yeah! We're so happy, guys! Over here! We're going down.
Brazilian girl on a flight so high. Chase away
One down here, okay? One down.
Go down. Hold tight. Oh my god! It's going down. Yeah. Hey!
miles worthwhile. From beach to beach, you feel so
We parked there yesterday. Nakakapagod guys. Pero masaya.
You're going opposite directions.
Oh, okay. Opposite direction. So we're gonna ride going back.
Oh, that's the back.
Yes.
Mali yung direction natin pinunta.
Fine.
You guys ready for that?
Ano si experience mo yung pababa?
Got it.
Yeah, matas naman.
Oh, okay. So the first game was with who? Oh! That was a tough game. That was a tough game for you guys.
It's such a very...
To the right, grab the other to the left. There was
We went in the opposite direction. We're supposed to go to Chinatown. No, we went to Mission Passport. We've been here yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Last stop.
This is the last spot. Stop. This is the last stop, guys. And we're gonna go ride in the opposite. Ride going back to the area of responsibility. Alright, let's go.
Card mo lang gagamitin.
That was so fun, guys.
Nakapicture pa kay
It was
John
so
Ray.
fun.
Pinapapicture pa kay
How was the
John.
experience?
Oh my goodness. It's a good experience. I love it.
How was the experience?
It was a good experience. It was short, but it was good. But we're just gonna get back there later.
We're gonna take another ride going back. Because we're going to Chinatown, so we're gonna take another ride.
So
But it's opposite.
the payment is good for a day.
No, it's just a one time. So we gotta pay another. Yeah, we gotta pay another ticket going back.
$2.
I hope they have like the day pass thing.
Kaya nga, all ride ba? All day ride.
Guys, I love it. Hello guys! Update, we're here at Chinatown. With them again and again and again. Yes, it's a Chinatown, guys. Ano? Oh yeah, ang lamig.
Sexy drama.
Dito ko sa kabila kasi mas ganda kamay ko.
It's so cold. It's so windy. I think we needed to buy a jacket.
We're here in
We need to buy a
Chinatown.
jacket. Wait. Puti ka ko na.
Mas malamig dito. We're here at Chinatown.
May
We're here at
mga dried fish sila
Chinatown.
dito.
Dami nilang fish, guys.
Have dried fish like back home.
Ah, of course.
Why it's called Chinatown?
Because it's culture. China culture. Chinese culture.
Oh my goodness. What's going on?
Anyway, I'll edit that.
Lamig dito galing sa lipo.
Yo, mas malamig pa dito kaysa dun sa Golden Gateway. Ay, kuya yung aso.
Guys, di ko alam kung anong gagawin namin dito kasi sumusunod lang naman ako sa kanila. Pero parang baka kumain kami ng pagkain. Ano pa? Ano pang gagawin sa tingin nyo? Anong gagawin natin?
Maybe
Sa
we're
tingin nyo, anong
gonna,
gagawin natin dito sa Chinatown?
we will look around
We will survive.
We're just gonna
and
look
see if there's
around.
a cheap
Chips, what?
souvenirs.
Souvenir. But I thought you already bought some
Maybe-
yesterday.
Maybe there's a nicer one.
Ano na to ni?
Oh, right here.
Oh, wait. I'll take
I see it.
I'll take a picture of it.
We're definitely in Chinatown. That flag is from what?
How you mean it's not very good?
Taiwan? I think Taiwan.
Taiwan flag ba yan?
Oo, Taiwan.
I've been Taiwan, right?
Okay.
Car passing.
Hindi sila pupunta pala siya dyan.
Car passing. Thank you. Hi guys, so today is our last night at ngayon na kami aalis pauwi sa Alexandria, Louisiana. So ayun, nakapag-impake na kami. Ay, may sexy
Ay,
din.
mag-picture tayo
May
nila.
sexy. So, nakapag-pack na din sila kasi last night na din nila. Then tomorrow ng early yung flight nila ng 6 a.m. But they still have time to prepare. Ayan, so
Uy, alis na kami.
kami, 10 p.m. yung flight namin. So, see you again next time, guys.
Bye, bye, ingat kayo.
It was a fun trip with you all. So I hope we could see each other again.
Iya, kala nyo pa-surprise na naman.
Baka na masasama pa kayo sa
Wala na.
Bye. Thank you.
Till next
Abangan niyo yung vlog namin.
Baka may
Abangan ko yung vlog
Baka
mo
may
ah.
pa-surprise kayo na bago mag-August.
I-share ko yung vlog mo.
Of course. See you guys. Ingat kayo at have a safe flight and a wonderful
Uy, ingat kayo sa flight.
wonderful stay in America.
Message ko kita, may vlog na daw.
Bye na kayo.
One last time.
Bye-bye.
Ibabay na ito ne.
Hatid natin sila sa baba.
Iyak na yan.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Okay, let's go.
Talagang gado. Saan ilalagay yan? Mayroon talaga kayong ganyan. Hindi minsan, pag nag-travel kami to ni, pahingi ako. Kaya nga hingi kami ng scissors sa baba. Oh. How do you even open it?
Dali
lang yan.
Kasi minsan,
Whatever we left here,
Ako na. Mali ka.
just keep it with you and keep in touch.
Mahaba pa ang pila sa ano.
tara na, iyan na natin.
Saka na-surprise na tinawag ako.
Sino?
Sino?
Ang glass mo doon. Nandiyan na. Nandito.
I-vlog mo na.
Dapat ako nauna kasi I have my camera. I have the camera with me.
Kakayanin ko na tayo.
Oo naman, okay ka na.
Kakayanin ko na natin makauwi na may airport na.
Okay na yan, pag hindi pa natin kaya.
Anong oras pa Calgary?
3 hours ata. 3 hours ba, kuya?
Mas malayo pa Toronto.
We're gonna arrive there at 9:40.
Late ang ano. Ay, una ang Alberta. Late na 1 hours.
Oo, ano na dun? Mga 8:44. I think.
Oh. Kulang yung tulog ko, guys. Kasi hindi ako naka-idlip ako konti. Para hindi ako masyado mapagod sa flight kasi dalawa yung layover namin. Basura. Basurero.
Nandito yung...
Dito.
Babay na.
Bye.
Excuse me.
It's time! Flight na namin, guys.
Yes,
Balik na
ito.
uli. The trip is over. And it's not finally. But because it's B10, I can't say that it's finally because it's B10 siya. At least we could stay more longer, but we have work, you know. But yeah, it was a fun trip with you, with
Uy,
them.
yung wallet nandyan ah.
And I hope some of our friends could travel with us as well next time.
Ay.
But yeah, it was really memorable and fun trip. So,
Saan na yung ano isa-submit ng ano?
alright guys. See you na lang ulit.
Thank you, Lord.
To my next vlog.
Flock?
Bye!
Bye!
Bye. See you on my
Saan yung
next
ano?
trip.